This is one of the LeetCode's SQL hard questions, hard problems that come under the SQL 50 sort of problem list. And it says department top three salaries. And we have two tables here, employee and department. And employee has these columns, ID, name, salary, and department ID, where ID is the primary key. And department is another table with the department ID here and the department name. Right. So what we want to know is the highest, uh, three highest salaries of each department. So if you just read along here, it says a high earner in the department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salaries of that department. So we need to find for each department the top three unique salaries. And if you see the input, you have ID, name, salary, department ID, and department table. And the output is department, employee, and salary. So immediately when you look at this, you know that, if you query on employee table, you have to join to the department table on department ID to fetch the corresponding department. And if you see the example here, it says output for IT department. These are the top three high earners in IT department, which means that these four people, Max, Joe, Randy, and Will, have the top three highest salaries, where 85,000 is kind of the same salary between Joe and Randy. So it's not the top three employees per se, but the top three unique salaries, right? So when you look at this, obviously the first thing you think about is a window function where you partition by department or department ID in this case from the employee table, right? So let's just start writing the query. So let me just write select from employee, and let me join with department with on department ID. So employee dot department ID equal to department dot ID. And what do we want to select here, right? So in the output, we want department, employee, and salary. So let's just select everything for now. Let's just have, employee, sorry, the department is coming from department table. So it'll be department dot name as department and employee dot name as employee in this case, and salary is again in employee table, so we can go ahead with employee dot salary as salary. Now since we're going to have a window function on top of partitioned on department ID, so we need to sort of rank the top three uh, salaries, right? So if you want to rank the top three salaries and you want to get the top three unique salaries and not miss out if there's a repeating salary, so in this case you'll have to go with dense rank. The reason of to go with dense rank is that, let's say in this example where you have 85,000 as the top, as the second highest unique salary. If you go with rank, this would be ranked 90,000 would be ranked 1, 85,000 would be, and 85,000, since it's repeating, it would skip a rank if you go with just rank. But if you go with dense rank, both these records will be assigned the same dense rank value of 2, right? So that's why we're going with dense rank over partition by department ID, order by salary descending, right? So this would basically partition the table, employee table, into the department IDs and then order by salaries and get the assign the dense rank. So let's just call this dense rank as maybe DNS RNK from employee, right? So now this result would obviously include dense rank, and we sort of don't want that in the result. And you can't put a where clause here right after this to get the top three dense rank. So this has to be inside a subquery, right? So let's just put that there and just pick out the columns that we need. So here I would be selecting department employee salary, department employee and salary from this subquery, from this inner table. Let's just call it rank table, ranked inner table, where dense rank is less than or equal to 3, right? So this should give us the top 3 highest unique salaries in each department. Oh, there's on keyword missing there. So that's it, guys. This is a very simple problem. I don't know why it's under hard, but hope this is of use.